Hello and welcome. Today we've got this Hilti SID 4A22 impact driver. This is a brushless impact driver from Hilti. This is the old model, oldie but a goodie. You can see one of the problems right away, that the chuck's missing. Yeah. But I'm missing the electronics, but we can sort that out. We can sort both problems out, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. First of all, we need to talk about the chuck. This chuck is the genuine Hilti part. It comes in this cardboard box, which is a little bag and all the separate parts in it. This had to come from Germany, made in China, distributed from Germany to the rest of Europe. To address the other issue, the answer is this. We'll blow it out, we'll take it apart, blow it out with airline and give it a good old clean with this stuff. And that should fix the little hesitation in the trigger. So the first thing we're going to do is to get all the screws and get this open anyway. So looking inside, you can see the problem. It's looking like Tony Montana in here, or Pablo Escobar, you know. So what we can do in that case, first of all, we'll blow away all this stuff first. Next step is this stuff. Work the switch when you're doing this. You have two options now. You can allow that to dry in its own time, or if you're in a bit of a hurry, you can use the compressor again. I could put that together now and fix the chuck, but I always find when I'm using, well, fixing these, I remove this rubber boot from the front for the simple reason it gives me a little bit more room to work at that circlip and remove it and replace the new one. So remove this circlip, a snap ring or whatever you call it. Just get that off. That's your first thing. That's it. When assembling this chuck, the first thing I do is put the balls on, the little holes. I put a little bit of grease so they don't fall out. That holds them in place. I've done that on both sides. Then I start assembling the chuck. Chuck cover first. There we are. Spring. This washer, but that's not spring. That's for the top. And these two guys here. All we need to do is get them into place over the top of the balls, which isn't easy. We need to push this up a little bit and ease these down. And this can be a fiddly job. This can take a long time. With a lot of manipulation and poking about with the balls in here, I've actually got this to go up and down. That's what you need to do. It just takes, it's hard to explain how to do that. You just have to mess about with it. And now I just have to put this circle up into place to hold this. And let's just stop it going down. That's it. Just get this back together again. Shock's looking pretty good. Yeah, good and tight. Yeah. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.